Amazon Home Finds. This is probably one of the easiest video doorbells you'll ever install. It's wireless and connects to Wi-Fi and has 2K resolution, extra 1080p camera on the bottom to see packages, full color night vision with a spotlight, 8 gigabytes of internal storage, motion, human, and package detection, and triggers an alarm when someone approaches a package.
My package back.
Two-way audio.
Get off my porch.
Recharges via USB-C or it can be wired. And it even comes with a convenient Chime unit so you never miss a visitor.